Larga.
And of course, the last one, resources that we choose is money. Diba? Through kuan, malakayan, we need money to be there. I'll be there for you. Number 2, the family needs required space for their child to do homework, but their small apartment is often busy. So firstly, we choose headphone so that a child can cover his or her ears to continue his or her studying. Now, care is intangible resources because we choose care kaya syempre diba, if we paabot our concerns to our silingan, to not banha-banha, or if they really care also, they will stop the noise. Okay, number 3, the family needs a healthier meal, but they are very busy. Oh, Grab, of course, Grab, because wala pa ako try, but Ate Justin said that there are foods that healthy there, no? And money. Money. You can avail Grab without money. Without. Yay! Huwag na uwi, bahagi. Hindi ayaw. Hey, pupos.
So, for the scores, let's check your work. For the group 1, for the promptness, I gave 10 because you finished on time. For the correctness, I gave 10 again because you gave 2 to 3 resources and explained it briefly. For the collaboration, because you collaborate well, you all work, I gave 10, so total of 30. For the group 2, I gave 10 because it has still time when you finish your activity. Then for the correctness, I gave 10. So also because you also gave resources and explain also briefly. Then for the collaboration, I also gave 10. Next is let's have the what did you learn? Throughout our discussion, what did you learn today about the family resources and needs? Since you answered yes earlier when I asked when I asked if you understand my explanation, you all say yes. So it's time to answer this question. What did you learn today about the topic, the family resources and needs? Anyone? If no one will share, no one has its courage, then I will be the one to point out.
Only
Miss Jordan. And you have some hidden talents and ideas.
Nordan.
Since you're the one who's special. Okay. Share what did you learn today about the family resources and needs?
I learned that there is 3 resources that a family should have, and those are the material sources such as the shelter, foods, and for the non-material resources is the social time and those intangible resources. And for the human resources is the strength or energy, and that's all.
Thank you for your Next is, why do you think all 3 types of resources are important to meet the family needs? Another for Jordan. Why do you think the three resources why do you think all three resources, all types of resources are important to meet the family needs? Why?
For material resources, it is important because without the materials, we cannot do nothing. So human resources, we need human resources. It important in family because in human resources, that's those three resources are important because we cannot survive without those three.
Thank you. Very well said. Cannot survive without those resources. Next one. Can one type of source replace another? Miss Baksuray. Mapapalitan ba ng isang source ang isang klase ng source? Mapapalitan ba ni...
Hindi.
Oo. Justify your answer.
Only
Why?
you. Only you.
Bakit?
Okay, so can one type of source replace another? So for me is no, because without the three resources of our lives is we don't survive without food, and also the non-material resources is we need also to have it because it is important okay, so kaning tulo is kanang important ni sila importante ni siya sa ato kay kung wala ang material resources is unsaon nato pag stand na kanabitang dili ta maka para sa pagkaon dili ta maka himo sa ato mga buhaton og kanang kulang ka sa ato energy tapos kanang weak kita nga makabuhat sa ato mga buhaton. So the human resources is kanang need gihapon nato siya tungod kay sila ang na-convert sa ato tapos
Go through your lesson carefully. So a family life depends on balancing human, material, and non-material resources to meet both practical and emotional needs. By working together, thinking critically about what we have, communicating openly, and being creative with our resources, family can build strong and supportive environments. So, brainstorm as many same groups, brainstorm as many different family resources you can think, then organize those resources into 3 categories using the manila paper and marker I provide. I forgot to provide. here na lang po. Mga family resources you might think, then i-organize sila into 3 categories.
Resources?
Yes.
Organize those resources into 3 categories.
We're going to think, to brainstorm resources, then you are going to organize it in sa tulong classification. For example, you are going to select sample. Where did it belong? In human resources.
Oh, yan.
Example. At least, ano lang po, kahit kalko, no? At least 10. Or, no, 3 plus 3 each patikipan. And classification. Classification. Please make it clean with worksheet because I am going to collect 10.
You can't hold. You can't room without that. You can't hold. Mani ka. Room mana.
You can hold. You can? Nakulang ng tiyon. You can.
Dire na. Dire sa.
Sorry, nakulang siya sa space.
Dire sa aside sa time. Intangible mo na. Siya na. Love. Mabalik mo. Love, respect. Sa material na. Example is material. Money mo ba ka? Love, joy, hope. 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 Sino ba? Wala ba? Love. Pardon, ma. Uy, yung si Ma'am Lili, dapat malipot.
Dili mo pay because it's just
Ayun. 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 Ayun.
burden that will be
Eh, present man is ako. Siya.
Another
Ako na lang.
Give hands to another. Okay, give hands to another. Si Miss Priya.
love, sabog ko. Yung love joy ko. Love joy ko.
Sige na, slide na kayo. Slide na kayo.
Pag-ali.
Since grade 1 are already done, so kindly present your, work here in front.
Love joy ko. Pag-sap ko dito sa... Love joy ko.
Please cooperate.
So,
Since the time is running out.
this is our output test. So for material resources, we have a laptop and here and desk because we use for non-material we have lab and joy lab joy then human resources
Youth ka.
versus youth calm, emotional intelligence, and human. That is not
Thank you.
Love joy ko.
Okay, so there are the group 2. First one is non-material. Material resources is time, health, energy, social networks. Then sa material resources is water, foods, plants. Then sa human resources is socialization, relationships, and skills. So,
Thank you.
Love joy ko.
So let's give ourselves a big clap. Okay, so your assignment is this one. I will be sending it na lang sa addressing. For list your own family human resource and then non-material resources and write one paragraph about how your family collaborates to use these resources to meet the needs. Okay, so that's